Hi! In the last video, we looked at how to add roles within Power BI Desktop and how to test the roles. In this video, we will continue with the discussion of role level security and we will see how to deploy the model in Power BI service. So we will look at first how to publish the data model from Power BI Desktop to Power BI service. And then we will add users to the roles that we have created in Power BI service. So let's get started. To publish the model, just go to share and publish, and it will ask a destination of where exactly you want to publish within your Power BI service. You can select my workspace for now. So what it is doing is it is taking the entire dataset and the reports that we have created and deploying it to Power BI service. So once it is done, you can click open the PBIX in Power BI. That will basically navigate to app.powerbi.com and it will show the report that's been deployed over there. Note that we have published to my workspace. So if you go into my workspace, you see that we have a report called RLS and then a dataset called RLS. So if you want to explore the dataset, you can go to dataset section and view the data. So now let's see how row level security works within Power BI service. Go to your datasets and within the dataset called RLS, just click on the three dots and go to security. A row level security page opens with the two roles that we have created, which are bikes in Germany and orders in 2013. The number 0 basically indicates that there are no users that are allocated to that role. So let me go and add a couple of users to both the different roles. So I will add one of the user called Karthik and other user called Mohit. And I will click add and then save it. So now let me go to my other role, which is orders in 2013, and again add a couple more users and add them and save it. Note that you can only add the users within the same organization. I belong to the organization called Mondavian, and hence I am only able to see the users who have registered with Power BI from the Mondavian domain. So once we add the users to the roles in Power BI service, we can go and test how the role works within Power BI service as well. So click on the three dots against the role and say test as role. Here we are testing the role bikes in Germany, and this report is filtered to show only the data related to bikes in Germany. So I can go back and I can go to the other role, which is orders in 2013, and click on the three dots and say test as role. And the report gets filtered only for the orders in 2013. You can also make use of the filter option here. So again, you can select any of the different roles that you want and apply, and that basically filters for the data for that specific role. Or if you want to know how a particular user will be able to see the report, you can go into the filter section and just enter the email address of that particular user. For example, note that Karthik was given the role bikes in Germany. So if you select Karthik and just say apply, you will get the data that shows only the bikes in Germany. Whereas if you go to the other user, probably Suyash, and select that particular user, you will get only the data that's relevant to orders in 2013. Since we may not have access login credentials to those users, this feature helps us to know what that particular user will see in their reports. You can also remove members by selecting the X next to their name and just save it. So now Karthik does not belong to any of the roles that you have defined here. So in this video, we looked at how to publish models in Power BI service, and then we have also went and created users within Power BI service and assigned the users to different roles that we had earlier created and saw how the data actually filters out for the respective users. So all this is discussion about your static row level security. In the next video, we will go and discuss about what is dynamic row level security and how to implement that in Power BI.